In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide with Figma how to merge layers in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to simplify complex designs into a single, clean vector using Figma's flatten command, and when it's the right move for your workflow. First, open your Figma project. You can do this in the desktop app or in your browser. Once the file loads, take a moment to orient yourself. Open the Layers panel on the left so you can see the structure of your frames and elements, and zoom in to the area you plan to work on. Having that clear view will help you confirm what's about to be merged. Next, select the frame that contains the elements you want to merge. You can click it directly on the canvas or pick it from the Layers panel. This step gathers your content, so the flatten action applies to exactly what you intend. If you only need to merge certain items inside the frame, hold Shift and select just those layers instead of the entire frame. Keeping your selection intentional will prevent you from flattening elements you still want to edit later. Now right-click your selection and choose Flatten. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Command E on Mac or Control E on Windows. Flatten takes everything you selected and combines it into a single vector layer while preserving the visual appearance. This is different from grouping. A group keeps separate layers bundled together. Flattening actually merges them into one editable vector. A quick heads up. Text layers will be converted to outlines, which means you won't be able to edit the text content afterward. Because flattening is a one-way process, it's smart to duplicate your selection first or create a version in Figma so you can roll back if needed. After you flatten, your selection will turn into a vector. You'll see one consolidated layer in the Layers panel, and on the canvas, you can enter vector edit mode to view and adjust anchor points if needed. Give this new layer a clear name so it's easy to find later. This merged vector is great for exporting icons, reducing complexity in heavy frames, and ensuring consistent rendering when handing off assets. If you need more flexibility in how shapes combine, consider using Boolean operations before flattening. But when your goal is a single final vector, flatten is the fast and reliable choice. That's the whole process. Open your project, select the frame or elements you want, right-click flatten, and your artwork becomes one tidy vector layer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.